Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to see about core price prediction using machine learning algorithm. Abstract. A core price prediction has been a high interest research area as it requires noticeable effort and knowledge of the field expert. This paper aims to build a model to predict used cars reasonable prices based on multiple aspects, including vehicle name, vehicle mileage, and year of manufacturing, fuel consumption, transmission, manual or automatic, fuel type, and also prices. This model can benefit sellers, buyers, and car manufacturers in the used car market. Upon completion, it can output a relatively price prediction based on the information that users input. Various regression methods, including linear regression, random forest regression, were applied in the project to achieve the highest accuracy. Before the actual shot of model building, the project visualized the data to understand the dataset better. The dataset was divided and modified to fit the regression, thus ensure the performance of the regression. Now we are going to see about flow diagram. The first module is data selection. This is our from the data set we have to collect the data set from user repository. The second step is pre-processing. Then we can load the collected input data and save and view the data set. After that, we can implement the pre-processing step, and we have to check null values or missing values from the data set for avoiding wrong prediction. Then label encoding. The label encoding is converted categorical value to numerical value. Then we can split the pre-processing data into train and test data set. Most of the data are present in train, and smaller portion of the data is present in test data. The test data is used for prediction. The train data is used for evaluate the test data set. Then we can implement the regression algorithms such as random forest regression and linear regression, and predict the used core price prediction old from new price. Finally, we can estimate our performance of this proposed approach is evaluated using uh, mean absolute error, mean squared error, and RMSE error values. Now we are going to see about output. The first module is data selection. This is our original data set. This is a okay. In this data set, we just show the first 20 records for viewing. The second module is data pre-processing. Here, find the missing values or null values from the data set and replace by 0 in the pre-processing step. Here, before pre-processing and after pre-processing, the fields are replaced by 0. Next, the data analysis. The data analysis is for fuel type used in different cars. The different cars means the type of cars, diesel like diesel, petrol, or CNG, LPG, and electric cars. And the number of cars is viewed in this bar graph and pie chart graph. Next, the analysis of owners and cars. The owner type, first, second, third, and fourth type, and the count which type is for this car owner type. The next is overall data set pre-processing based on year, kilometers, mileage, engine, power, seats, and old price, especially now our new price. And the next bar graph is showing the value count of the transmission column. The transmission is manual or automatic. The next step is label encoding and pre-processing. The before label encoding is we have many new categorical value, and after label encoding we have to convert our categorical value to numerical value. The next step is data splitting. The data splitting have to two splitting. One is train data and the test data. The train data was splitted The without target value is without price value, and after we have to split the target value, only target as only price value. The train data, test data was splitted. The next step is algorithm implementation. We have to do algorithm. One is linear regression and random forest regression. The linear regression result of MAE or MSE and R squared, and accuracy is 96%, and the random forest regression is our proposed approach. The MAE or MSE or MSE R squared and accuracy value is 98%, and the comparison graph for error value for our linear regression and random forest regression. And the final module is user prediction. We have to enter the car name, location, year, kilometers driven, fuel type, transmission, owner type, mileage, engine, power seats. These all attributes are presented in our data set. And the old price is 12. We have to enter, and then and the algorithm predict the value is the prediction of new price may this range in this value.